Hey guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Aniket and this is Coder Aniket. This is my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well and safe. As we all know that currently we are going through a very tough time, but together definitely we will overcome from this current worst situations as earlier as usual. So now let's come to or move to some serious and important parts of today's discussion. As we all know that school and colleges have closed again, so I thought that I will start a making series of video on how to prepare for placement in product based company, or how to get placed in product based company or some service, I mean, so, and some good company, not service based. And if you are in final year and you want to placed in some product based company or some good company, then this series of video is for you. Or if you are in working on some service based company and want to switch on some good company, product based company, then this series of video is for you. And if you are in third year, if you are third year student, and then trust me bro, this video is definitely for you, because we all know that in third year placements starts in third year, yeah. So, and if you are second year students, then this this video is very helpful for you, because because you have started learning the things and started the coding so earlier. So in this series I will regularly upload some videos on all important topics which are very important for placement purpose. And so see, in a placements, basically questions are asked from the from data structure and algorithms. So questions, mostly questions will be asked from the coding question. So I will teach you various important algorithms which are very famous algorithms, and which are very important in placement point of view, like array, stack and queue and strict. These topics are very important, and dp trees and graph. And so in this series you will not see only solution or code of the questions, particular questions, but I will teach you, and I will explain different approaches, and then we will reach to optimal approach. So every company wants this. So and our on and I will pick some questions, which is question will be from like gf geeks or geeks, or question will be picked from lead code. So you don't have to worry about that. Basically I have a set of questions which are very important. I have lists of questions. So in this list I will questions are like, so first we will choose array. So from the array topic, questions are like subarray with given sum, which is also known as sliding window algorithm. Subarray with given sum, with non-negative, which handles also negative numbers. Cadence algorithms or maximum survey count the triplets, missing numbers, two sum problems, three sum problems. So these are the problems like trapping rainwater, find the duplicate number. And from the stack, questions will be like parenthesis checker, queue using from two stacks or stacks using two queue, circular to tour. And so these are the questions which are very important in the placement point of view. And few questions have, like I have list of them. So like yeah, two some problem that already we have seen. And medians of two sorted array, roman to integers, longest common prefix. So these are the questions which are important point in the point of view, placement point of view. So you need not to worry about that. I will explain anti approaches from the very basics. So don't these are these are the introductory videos. And from the next series of video I will choose a question from choose a questions every day. Questions, two or three questions I will solve and I will upload. So please I want to tell you that in so please like and subscribe, that you don't miss any videos, and also share. And one important things, please stay home and stay safe. And yeah, take care of yourself and your family too. And so let me wrap it up here. and see you guys on the in the next videos. Thank you so much. So that's it.